What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all good. Today we are creating the urban city filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. The urban city sample filter is available for free on our website, so check it out in the description below. And also remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, let's fire up Lightroom Mobile and start editing. First, we always start on the light page and we increase our exposure by plus 0.6. Then we increase our contrast by plus 30. We decrease the highlights by minus 52. We decrease the shadows by minus 42. And we increase the whites by plus 21. And then lastly, we decrease the blacks to minus 30. Next, we go over to the curve section, and the only thing we'll do is we make a basic S-curve to increase some contrast in the image. So just follow along what we do on the screen. All right, head over to the color tab and increase the temperature by plus 25. And increase the vibrance by plus 39. Next, we go over to the color mix tab, and on the red sliders, we increase the hue by plus 10. And we decrease the saturation by minus 20. On the orange sliders, we increase the hue by plus 9. And we increase the saturation by plus 6. Next, on the yellow tab, we decrease the hue by minus 39. And we increase the saturation by plus 42. We will skip the green tab for now, and we head over to the cyan tab, where we decrease the hue to minus 14. And we decrease the saturation to minus 54. All right, next we go over to the blue tab, and we decrease the hue to minus 14, and we decrease the saturation to minus 15. That will do for the color mix tab. Next, head over to your effects controls and increase the clarity by plus 20. And dehaze the image by boosting it to plus 20 as well. Alrighty, here we go, some before and after shots using this filter. This filter works perfectly on every urban situation you throw at it. So let's give it a try, shall we? Cool, that will wrap up things for this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to leave your suggestions for future filters that you want us to make in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.